For those that missed out on this meeting, you really missed out. You blew it. You missed a lot. We covered so many things that are really, really wonderful.
This conference, particularly the Riptide, the intimacy of it is very, very cool.
It is such an important community for the dermatology PAs in Florida because the FSDPA is constantly pushing for PAs to grow, learn, expand on their knowledge, their business.
Definitely the FSDPA was one of the first conferences that I attended as a new graduate.
We're able to get together twice a year, which is nice. We tend to form a community.
We're thinking about your needs, which are CME, networking, and a community.
We bring together everybody twice a year. Riptide. It's a nice way to get together and share ideas and elevate our level of education and our level of practice.
Oh my gosh, what a fun atmosphere. You know, you walk in and everyone's smiling.
They do such a great job of putting together meaningful lectures.
We're sitting at small tables with each other and there's a nice couch that you just want to go lay on and take a nap, but the environment is friendly.
I've been to many conferences. Many of them are large conferences, which is great. But Riptide is different because there is this intimacy, smaller crowds, and as a lecturer, I found it really cool. The engagement is just a different level, lecturing versus lecturing to a room of 400, 500, 600 people.
This is an amazing conference. Everyone's happy, everyone's engaged, everyone's smiling. It's relevant to what we're doing. So I would say everything together, this crew has done an amazing job setting this up.
I really love the fact that it's a boutique conference. It's a lot smaller. It's not as scary going up to some of the presenters or the exhibitors just because it's a very intimate group. I really love that about this conference. I really love the speakers for this conference. It was really, they're just more human to me than some of the other speakers at other conferences. I felt very engaged, all of their stories, how they were very personable. That's a huge factor in when I go to conferences. I want to make sure that I'm able to I want to listen, I want to learn, and I found that here at Riptide.
This is my second Riptide I've been to. Been to many New Wave conferences in the past. They're always amazing. It's a great conference, I love it.
Riptide's been awesome. We've had so many amazing attendees, so many amazing speakers. The industry sponsorship and presence has been great.
Just go, try it. Our parties are great, the lectures are great, and you're always gonna pick up a new pearl. Even 20 years later, I'm still picking up things and it's amazing.